she's making again a transmission stand. I just forgot to make her a video when she started, but this is the full transmission stand she's doing, and it is finished already, ready for paint now. It is an old engine stand, and now she replaced it into a transmission stand because we have several engine stand already. That's the setting of her transmission stand. That is Nell, my sister again. Hi. That's what she did today. And I forgot to document when she started making it. But that's the transmission stand she's doing today. She make this one. That one, and then she will this one. I forgot to document lately. But she's not going to you're not going to clean this one?
No,
Or
it's not display.
you said no need because it's not a pageant. But she is good in welding, especially in TIG. That's the thing she's doing today. The transmission stand. Now we're going to paint a silver one. Here, Kai? Huh?
Sarang weld.
Huh?
Kung asang weld.
Ah, okay. Okay, see you then.